So in today's video we are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. I have a little clear vase here. I have two candle holders that I've used previously. I don't know if I'm going to use both or if I'll just use one. I think I'll probably just use one. I don't know why I like that a little better. Looks cute. Or I guess you could just do it like this, right? What do you guys think? I don't know. We'll see. I have 2 bags of stones. They're white stones. I don't know if I'll actually use both, but we'll see. I have some super glue and some like fake grass. And this one came with like these little butterflies on them, and it came with like about 6, like all over, but I just think they look kind of tacky. I thought they were flowers at first. So I don't know. I might keep one of them on, just like, you know, for added extraness. But I don't know. Maybe if the little butterflies were like a different color, then I'd be like, okay. But I'm not really like a teal person. I just want something, yeah. Oh, and I got some scissors. We'll see. I saw it on, I wish I could find the original post, like where I'm getting the inspiration from, because I'm totally feel like I'm copying it, but I can't find it. I'm pretty sure I saw it on Instagram and I can't find it. So first I need to figure out whether I want it to look like this. Crap. So I'm gonna have to peel this off. And great. Well, we're gonna pretend like I peeled it off. Okay. I don't know if I want it to be like this. See, because that seems like a little tall. And I feel like I have to decide now, or if I just want it like this, or if I want it like this. Well, not like that, because then it won't stay, right? But what do you guys think? Should I keep it like this, or should I do this to it, which brings a lot of height. Now once I put this on, I feel like it's going to be really tall, so I'm just going to go ahead and do one. I have actually, a little backstory, I have like 12 bags of these stones and like good 12 of these, and I have like 6 of these. Now the reason why I have 6 of these is because I've used them before to stack on a cake, so I just have them laying around. The reason why I have 12 bags of stones and 12 vases is because about 1.5 years ago, when my husband and I got married, we were going to make our own centerpieces, but then we didn't. We were gonna have like this, not big, but we were gonna have like a religious ceremony. These are so pretty, by the way. They're white, but they like sparkle and stuff. Ooh. So I'm gonna put them in here. So yeah, that's why we have a lot of them, and we figured we'd save them. We just got married in court, and we'd save them for when we get married, you know, in church and stuff. But I don't know. We'll see. Alright. So funny story to that, I got a bucket just to like put all of them in, and then I was too embarrassed to be like, I don't want the bucket, so I still have the bucket in which I put all the stones in. Okay, so maybe one will do. Maybe like 1.5, right? Because see, my idea is, oh, maybe I should have done it. Oh, well, I guess it works. I know that's not at the bottom. Pour some out. Put this in there. This is the first time that I'm doing this, so we'll see. See, because the stones kind of like compact in there, and then they're like, no, you ain't getting it. Alright, that's kind of how deep I want it to go. Maybe probably a little bit less. Do you guys have any like DIYs from Dollar Tree that you love or you've tried? Let me know in the comments. Tag me on Instagram. I want to see. I'm all about it. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Hobby Lobby. I love, like, you know, Michael's and places where you can buy the stuff already made and places where you can buy the stuff to make it. But come on, this whole DIY is like $3, $4, like under $10. You know, I mean, doesn't this look kind of cute? Like, this is how I want it to look. But I'm actually gonna fill it up. So I'm gonna take about 1.5 bags of these stones, which is okay because I have another like 10 bags in my husband's closet that I don't know what to do with. So yeah. Ooh. Let's fill this in. Now this is not a tutorial, let me just tell you guys. I'm just trying it out. I'm actually like totally copying it from somebody else. I wish I could give him credit, but I can't find it. If from now on till I post the video, I find that inspiration post that I saw. In the post that I saw, I'm pretty sure it was 2 of these that were, they had to be like this. And they spray painted them white. And you know, they had the white stones, and I'm pretty sure they had maybe like 2 of these grass things because it looked a lot more full. But yeah, I can't find it. I was looking and looking because I wanted to see exactly like how it was, but it was one of those times where I was like I was on Instagram in the middle of the night and I saw it and I was like, oh, that's really cute. And yeah. Okay, so I might actually want it to come up just a little bit more. But I mean, doesn't this look so cute? So now you guys let me know. Should I put it on? Definitely have to glue this on. Should I put it on just 1 or 2? This is how it looks like with 2. It's pretty tall and like the grass gives it that extra height. Looks really pretty. Or 1 like this. Honestly, because I have so much, I kind of want to make 2, like 1 like this and 1 that's double. So you get that, you know, different height. But I'm just extra like that. So anyway, this will be my small one. If I feel like I want to make the other one, I'll make it. I mean, I have all the stuff, right? So I'm using super glue. I saw on a couple of like Dollar Tree DIYs that I love to watch those videos. They had like E6000 and stuff. I don't know if they get that at Dollar Tree too because I couldn't find it. I just found different types of super glue. This one says it glues metal. It works best on clean, non-porous surfaces like metal, wood, plastic, and nails. This is glass. Oh, let me center. Hold on. Hold on before you do anything. Well, that looks centered to me. If anybody critiques that it's not centered, you know what? It's not. I'm just kidding. I don't know. So now I kind of want to add the butterfly just to be like extra. But see, that's what sucks. The little hole is like in the back, so it's got to go like this. How do I put it? It's got to go like that. It's not even looking like it's flying. You know what I mean? Well, I guess, yeah, because it's gonna look like it's just like on there, right? But see what I mean? Like, I don't know, maybe to you guys it looks cute, but to me it looks kind of tacky. So that's what it would look like with the butterfly on it. Let me try to fix it so these are more like But I mean, I don't know. I think it's cute. You know? And you can't really go wrong with that for like the amount of money that I spent on this. Which, let me tell you that the amount of money that I spent on this was, like I said, about 1.5 years ago. So, yeah. Now I'm overfilling it. Just because I have a lot of these rocks. Kind of feel, yeah, I kind of like that. I mean, I can always take them away, you know? But anyway, guys, this is my Dollar Tree DIY. It was actually a lot faster. And yeah, it's pretty nice, right? I mean, right? I think so. I don't know. I'm really